What's up, everybody? Welcome to my garage. Hope you're all doing well. Hope you're all crushing life. Now, I'm absolutely crushing life right now. We got some mega things happening, some of which I can't tell you for a while, some of which I'll tell you soon-ish, and other stuff I'll show you next video. But I'll tell you right now, we bought a car. We got a car. Next video, we're gonna pick it up and bring it home. Because of that, we got to clear out the garage, and I think you all know which one's going to go away. The Hellcat, we've talked about selling it, trading it, selling it, trading it. Well, I did not trade it in, so we are officially listing this online for sale. The Shelby, we're still working on the unwrap, and we're going to paint it very soon. And then the Ferrari, we just did the install of the X pipe, which is super sick, absolutely loving it, so that's not going anywhere. But the problem we have is this new car is going to arrive before I'm going to be able to sell this puppy, so we just need to get it out of here. Unfortunately, there's this car storage place in town. We're going to go store the Hellcat at the storage facility. I'm going to show you all the tour. It's pretty sick. Right on cue, we've got our ride pulling in. Absolutely sick GT500. You all know Jake. Jake's the man. And you know what's even better than that? This is sitting right next to the Shelby F-150, and it's sitting right next to its cousin, the Mustang Mach-E. Right? Yeah. Yes. No comment. No comment.
Okay. No comment.
No comment. What's up, dude? How you doing?
How you doing?
Good to see you. Car's looking fresh.
Thank you.
All right, Jake, you ready to trade your 500 for a Hellcat, baby? I mean,
this thing's pretty sick, but
straight up right now, we'll do a deal. You give me that, I'll give you that. Titles, exchange.
I can't. I can't do it.
I tried. If you want to buy the Hellcat, let me know. Because it's like I say, it's officially, we are officially listing it for sale once and for all. I'm going to start the price at $70,000, but no one's going to buy it for $70,000. So maybe $69,999.99. That's a fair deal.
That's a pretty good offer. That's
right?
A good offer, yeah.
We're going to go to Luxxe Storage and get this baby stored temporarily until one of you buys the car. Now, is this a stock exhaust? Remind me.
This has a resonator delete, so pretty stock for the most part. I was gonna get a Borla this morning.
There we go.
But then it decided to snow again.
Okay.
So
next week.
Next week.
This sounds good, but with a Borla, this thing is okay. Woo. Maybe. Wait. You don't need a Borla. You're good. That's nuts.
It could be louder.
It could be. Okay, go louder. I haven't been around a 500 in a long time. I didn't buy a GT500. That's not the car coming to the channel, but
if it makes you feel any better, I regret selling my 350.
Yeah, he had a 350. So, really, what you got to have is both.
I had both for like 3 months.
Right.
And it was awesome.
Let's get this garage closed. Oh, man, I'm so excited, though. Nothing against the Hellcat, but right here, next video, right here. Sick car. I'm super stoked. Woo! All right, you know we're not gonna miss. It's not even dramatic anymore. We don't miss, 100%. I do love the Hellcat, though. That's the problem with all this. I'd love to keep the Hellcat if I could. If I just had a couple more Bitcoin, we'd keep the Hellcat. And when I say a couple more, one. If I had one to Bitcoin, that'd be nice. Just think, one lucky person with $68,000, this could be yours right here. This beautiful SRT beast. Now, for some logistical clarification, what they actually do is they would have came and gotten my Hellcat for me and taken it for me, taken pictures. They're insured and all that stuff. So I wouldn't have even had to have come on this drive. They could have just taken the car for me. But I like Jake. He's a good guy. He's a nice guy. I wanted to see his new storage place that he set up. Plus, it gives me one more drive with the Hellcat. And then they're going to bring me home because that's part of the service they provide. But I ask you this. If you had a choice, all things being equal, what are you taking? A Hellcat or a GT500? Whoa. They are both just epic American muscle car beast, that's for sure. I mean, it's an absolute beast to get rough with. Okay. That thing is bonkers. That legit, I'm not exaggerating, that legit hurt my eardrum. All right, folks, we are here. We're gonna check this place out. Yeah. Muscle cars, though. So easy to get in and out of. Dude, legit, you don't need a Borla.
I know I don't.
You don't need a Borla.
But
that is so stinking loud.
But I already bought it, so.
Okay, well, put it on. It's gonna be even better. When you were doing those polls, I was legitimately like, Wow.
I didn't realize how loud it was until I had Damon, he's actually our guest experience coordinator here, drive by me when I was in the GT4, and I was like, okay, it's actually pretty loud.
You have a guest experience coordinator.
Yeah.
Wow, you don't mess around.
No.
How'd the Hellcat sound?
It sounded pretty good.
This is loud, but it's a little more consistent. This one's just like a straight punch to the face.
Yeah, pretty much.
So, anyways, it was awesome. So this is your place.
So come and check it out. This is Luxxe storage.
We're gonna throw the Hellcat here just for a little bit, right, until one of you takes this home. He is actually nearly full. He's got a couple of these slots sold already, so there's really only a couple left. So if you do want to store your car here, time is running out. He also stores motorcycles, bikes. I don't ride motorcycles. I would die on one, but they're pretty sick. You got yours here?
Yeah, mine's actually right there. I'm doing a build on it right now.
I know very little about bikes. I know Ducati. I know this is a big deal, and I know it looks good. It looks sick. I mean, this carbon fiber is sweet. So if you got a bike, you can also store it here. So you have your GT500, but you also have, this is yours.
Yeah.
Stored up.
You're gonna be taking one, which you can pick and choose which one you want. I'm most likely gonna be having these two filled. I had a gentleman reach out to me earlier this week that's looking to store a 720S and a 488. And
so if you need storage in Orem,
yeah,
space is running out quickly. You do tenders, you do insurance, you're insured, security, all of that stuff. You can check out their website. I'll link their website below. You can check that all out. Jake's the guy. Are you the sole owner?
Yep.
Actually, we go back to when I bought my GT350 years and years and years ago. Anyways, this Viper.
That's for sale.
No.
So this is a client's. It's a Gen 1.
No.
10,000 miles. This is a 110 in this color with a hard top.
I just rode in a Gen 1 Viper GTS in Texas.
Okay.
It was sick.
These are crazy cars.
I miss my Gen 2.
I think they're asking 60 for it. It's very clean.
And the great thing about this, holds their value. You buy it for 60, you're good to go.
Yeah.
We're just gonna pull it right into this first slot here. Folks, she is tucked in lovely. Now again, I know I said at the beginning of the video, $69,999. We're already down 68, Christian? 68, yours?
30% APR?
30% maybe. Or I could go 66 for you. You want 66?
Yes, I want 66.
Okay, we got 65.
No.
No? You're out of 65?
I'm out.
64 for you.
I mean, I was thinking more like 60.
50.
59.
50. I'll take 50.
58 for you?
Didn't I say higher? You did.
The market for the Hellcat is going gangbuster right now. If you want it, let me know. I am the worst negotiator alive.
I also have a P1 for sale for you.
Okay. Oh, so if you store a car here, you can also like come hang out. Ooh, wait a minute. You got some. The P1's cool, but hold on. Let me look. Let me think about this. I'm gonna take Ford GT right here.
That's a good option.
You can keep the McLaren P1.
All right.
Also, there is a simulator here, so I assume all of your guests can do the race sim, hang out.
And this is Formula 1 inspired, so your feet actually sit above you.
Oh.
So it's like a F1 style seating position and everything. So.
Okay. Also, I assume drinks are on the...
Minus my lunch, but yes, everything is available to our clients whenever they want.
I guarantee you, if I ate his lunch, he would just say, okay, you can have it. He's that nice of a guy. Guarantee you. In fact, should we test you out? I'm gonna eat your lunch right now. Let's see. Caffeinated strawberry milk? What is this, bro?
It's like new, but I've had their chocolate one and I really enjoy it.
If you store your cars here, you have access to unique and eclectic drinks, like caffeinated strawberry milk. I don't know. I'm gonna have to drink it all to really decide. I'm not sure right now. I'll keep you posted. See you, Hellcat. See you, Christian. See you, Damon. GT500. I'm driving?
Oh yeah, you're driving.
Sick.
You're gonna have to move the seat a lot.
Sick. We'll see you, fellas. Appreciate it. Enjoy your weekend. Folks, this is, man, GT500. This is like epic. You got these Recaro race seats too. Fired up, baby. America. Also, this is just like my Mach-E, my wife's Mach-E. It's a dial. It's the same, bro. It's the same.
It's a volume dial.
It's the same. We shift in the Mach-E, the Mustang, the exact same as you shift in your GT500. How do you feel about that?
So you're saying the Ford GT is the same then as the Mach-E?
Absolutely.
Oh.
Absolutely. The Mach-E, it's a Mustang, baby. I can't believe y'all don't realize that I make jokes about this by now. They don't understand I'm joking.
I mean, I get you're joking, but it also seems like you're pretty straightforward with it.
Well, we are spitting facts. This is the same.
It is the same.
It is the same as the Mach-E. Like, we're joking, but at the same time, factually, it's the same.
It is.
So,
which hurts.
Yeah. First off, underpass, don't crash. This is like second gear. Pull. Okay. Little loops right there. I think you be honest with viewers, Jake. How many horsepower are you pushing?
1100 right now.
Okay, there it is. Because what does it come with from factory?
So from factory, it's a 5.2 liter.
Don't hide from camera.
Oh, sorry. It's
be honest with the people here. Be upfront. Own up to it.
Okay, it's a 5.2 liter V8 cross plane crank, supercharged. Comes with 760 horsepower, but we changed that a little bit. So,
jeez, bro, this is special. Wow.
I'm just crossing about 15,000 put into it so far, but that also includes wheels and tires. So lid, pulley, tune, exhaust, intake. That's all I've done. That's it. Really simple stuff.
Downshift, downshift. Oh my gosh. I'd like to see this go up against my new car.
Oh, I would love to.
That'd be interesting.
Roll races in the summer.
Folks, we made it home safe and sound, and just like my Mach-E, you give it a slight turn to the left. P is for park. It's the same experience.
One thing that your Mach-E doesn't have, though, is an integrated built-in key holder.
We do, actually.
Your 350 does the same thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's all the same.
It's all the same?
Yeah. And it's actually the same key, too, so.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All the same. Yeah,
Yep.
never mind. All the same.
I'm just gonna go back to my strawberry drink. I like it for being different. I can see myself drinking that in the morning.
That seems like a you drink.
Jake's Instagram again. How long have you had these wheels?
Not too long, a few months.
I was gonna say, they're new, they're fresh. They brighten it up a little bit. They're super snazzy. You're actually taking this to the track too. So like, he's a legitimate driver. Anyways, could you imagine me with a GT500 at this house with my GT350 and with the new car? That'd be quite the combo. Also, sick. Anyways, thanks again to Jake for the help with that and Luxxe Storage. Again, check them out online below. Follow their links on social media, all that stuff. I'm gonna link everything. They've been a huge help with the Hellcat, clearing out space for my garage. Big thanks to Jake. I'm also upset at you because now I really want a GT500 with over 1,000 horsepower. So yeah, problems in my life. But regardless, thanks Jake, appreciate you. I will take that, bro, thank you.
That's yours.
Okay. My neighbors used to like me. They don't anymore. We woke up all the new babies. What's that?
You told me to.
Shh. I'm sorry. Appreciate you. We'll catch you later. And there we go, folks. New car, picture it. Hellcat gone, get out of here, see you later. New car right here. And actually next video, we're not gonna see this car right here because we have to get on a plane, go get the car, and drive it home. So that's gonna take a minute. Also, I have bonus footage for you. I don't know if you call it a bonus, but the old Bronco, she's alive. And I still have it. Yeah, there's a long story, but she's alive, she's running, she sounds so good. We're gonna go get her legal, finally. Just an absolute peach of a vehicle. Rear window goes up. A lot of you may remember that when I bought this is one of my great failures in life. This right here. Obviously, she's empty because she hasn't been driven. She's got no fuel. Just throwing 8 gallons in for now. If you buy this though, I'll fill it up for you all the way. Oh yeah, big America, baby. Stay full of Fords and Dodges today. And look at this. Right up, baby. We are off to a very special place. She's driving sturdy. We're hitting 55 right there. That's pretty solid. Considering how long she sat, she's holding on strong. But here we are, folks. We've been waiting 4 years to bring her here. It's official. She's gonna get titled in Utah. Finally. It's been a journey I can't even begin to explain. Success. Folks, we just got a license plate and a title for the 1993 Ford Bronco. I know it's embarrassing, but I expose all here on this channel. Like I said, I just try to keep it real here, and this Bronco it's just been one of my great failures in life, that's for sure. I love it, it's absolutely sick, but we didn't get the project that I wanted out of this, and then it sat forever, and then I couldn't get it titled because of emissions. Anyways, there's this whole reason, I'll explain it on my Instagram, this video is long enough, but we are legal emissions. It's complicated, titling, out of state, whole thing. Appreciate y'all. Again, wish you nothing but the best of luck. Make sure you go crush it. Peace.